G'day guys, welcome back to another video. We're out here in Swansea Channel chasing some Australian salmon, so we'll get straight into it. Hopefully we won't keep you waiting too long and we'll get one. Got one. Got one too, double hook up. Ryan's got one as well. Oh. Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, he's a huge one. That was huge. Dad,
Both going to be ready at the same time. Don't let that rock touch the side of the boat.
Oh, there we go. I got that on camera.
You're going to lose it because you're letting the line touch the boat.
Hold on. Guys, I've got to put the camera down. I've got to get me lure in the water.
Yeah, here we are, lads.
Come on.
Right. Why you winding? Just stop winding. Now lift.
Oh,
Oh shit, I put my figure over the bloody camera. Then Buxy gets theirs first.
oh.
Barra.
She's tiring. Yeah.
Don't let it hit the side of the line hit the boat. You're hooked on the bottom, Jay.
No, I'm not.
How's that rock fell?
Bloody oh, oh, Jaden, you got a shark or something, eh?
You got a scoop it or what?
Where are you? Where are you going to go? Bring it back around.
Ryan, can I rip the gaff for yours? Just to put on video?
No.
That'd be...
We're cross, bro.
Are we?
Unless they're rooting.
Oh shit.
We're cross.
Maybe we got the same fish.
Come on, Ryan. Get her in, mate. Tighten that drag up a bit, mate. Come on. Come on, mate. Crane the dog in.
Oh yeah.
Shit,
Right
yeah.
Oh,
Oh, there he is.
I've seen it.
We'll lift her in. Lift the dog
Dad,
in.
get the net. Mine's right here as well. We need two nets.
Don't wind it up
my
till it
God.
touches the end of the rock.
Yeah. We're getting the net jobby.
Lift, mate.
Got him.
Ryan, do that drag up, mate.
I have.
Don't let Ryan fiddle with the drag too much.
Right.
I want it on that.
Yeah. Where is it?
Oh, you know your bloody 15th birthday.
Oh my God.
All right. Figure it.
This is the biggest fight I've ever had, eh? Come on, guys. Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Net. Net.
Look at them just there in the water.
Ah. I still haven't caught one on me rod.
Just lift. Lift. Just lift. That's it. Don't wind when he's... What'd you lose it?
No.
Now wind down. If he wants to run, let him run.
There's heaps of bloody fish there. Come here.
Let him run.
Oh no. Still got it. Holy crap.
You want me to net it for you?
No, Blake.
Guess what? I forgot to hit record all that time.
Did you?
Are you kidding?
Jaden's on. Big dog's on.
Eat the dogs. Jesus.
You get tangled up.
Come on. Yes, boys.
Come on.
Alright.
Oh no!
I might have stole. Oh, he snapped it. Come on,
Oh.
boys. Ooh.
Just put that right away, Jaden.
Get the
Don't
net
have
there.
to
Get
use
the
the
net.
gun.
You're nowhere near getting
I was just skimming,
Yeah, I'll
so
throw that one out. I'll just.
What, throw it in the water?
No, just,
Oh, the rod.
yeah, I'll rig your rod up for you. Wait.
stay up the front there, right? And let the line hit the boat.
What is it? What is the quick one?
Whatever.
Oh, slow one.
Buddy, grab it.
Oh, bloody hell.
At least you still got your lure and get back.
What? Is anyone close?
Drawing
No,
it.
I've seen the way you fight, right?
It's in the boat.
First fish on this rod, guys. No. Bit disappointing. Righto guys, we just got back to the boat ramp. I think we ended up with like 8 Australian salmon in total. For anyone wondering, we're just using soft plastics. So we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Sorry guys, I forgot to say, in this video I was out with Blake from Bottom End Fishing. Make sure to go check him out. I will leave a link in the description for his channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one.